CorelDRAW in 60 seconds. Let's go. The pick tool. This is one of the most important tools in CorelDRAW. It's the first tool you will use in almost every design. With the pick tool, you can select any object, move it around your workspace, resize it, and even rotate or screw it. Simply click to select, drag to move, and use the corner handles to resize your object. Now here is something important. When you create or select a new object, it stays active on your cursor, but you won't be able to fully adjust it until you click the pick tool again. Once you resize it with the pick tool, you can now resize, rotate, or modify it properly. Click on the object again and you will switch to rotation mode. Now you can rotate or screw it in any direction. It also helps you align, duplicate, and rearrange objects properly on your canvas. If you don't understand this tool, your design process may be slow or frustrating, but once you master it, everything becomes faster and easier.
See you in the next video.